Hello, this is Mo with Mo Better Fitness. I want to give you a quick overview of what you need to do when you get in here. Of course, at first you can go through any of these you like. When it's time to get to business, you want to check in. First thing you do is take the test, Hurling 101. Get in here. Here's the content. Very funny video right there. Dude gets disqualified. It's funny. Go down, finish reading. And don't just read to skim through, read to understand. It's the basics. Knowing the basics will get you a long way. Trust me. And at the end of this, what you do? Take the test. Get in here. Questions. Answer them. Some open-ended ones as well. Submit. So do that, you go back. To athlete progression. Boom. Go to your name. Remember, this will be your password. Whatever you give me is what I'm going to put. It could be banana hammock. I don't know. Whatever you give me, I'll put. It'll come to your back page. And again, the opinion is very valuable to me. I need your feedback also. So what did you see during this session? Answer them, submit them. If you have past sessions, want to see your progression, you'll have your own spillover page so you can see how you progress from week to week. See you later.